Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Look what we have here today. A little blast from the past. Some of you weren't even born yet. Others of you, like me, were. But here we got a 1975 Ford F-250 custom super cab 3/4 ton truck. Clean California title, good tires, fires right up. She runs and drives and goes down the road, doesn't overheat. Brake, stop, power steering. It's giving you a quick little overview. I've got a lot of pictures on the website as well. Factory 390 V8, factory power steering, even factory AC. Now the AC doesn't work. So this truck's all there, it's complete. It's a project car cosmetically, no doubt. No major rust, no perforation, California truck. It's got some dents and bruises, but hey, it's almost 50 years old. But it is a little rare in a sense that it is an extra cab. A little walk around there. It's inside the bed. Paint's gone, there's surface rust, but there's no holes poked through it. I took pictures of the undercarriage. I'll see a little quick video. It's again some surface crud, but nothing perforated. But she does run good. She goes down the road. I've driven her all over the place. Oh, there's my shadow. Anyway, we do one take here with these videos. If I say something wrong or say the wrong word, I don't go back and edit it. It is what it is. But you get the gist of it. And a little roof shot. Interior. A little cover here. The seats are blown out. I mean, you got a little chunk here. Their springs aren't popping out, though. It's still comfy. Nothing jabbing you in the butt. At the horn here, this horn pad's worn out, and so we've auxiliary there. And you know the best thing about this truck, besides it just being an old classic truck, which are getting harder and harder to find here in California, it is what we call smog exempt, which means you never have to worry about this car passing emissions. So you can throw a different motor in there, you can modify it, whatever you want to do. Belt squeaking a little bit. Power steering belt needs to be tightened or lubed or replaced. She runs good, dual tanks, they both work. All the gauges work. Oil pressure gauge works, fuel gauge works. Odometer, speedometer work. Alternator work, gauge works. Coolant works. Horn works. Anyway, that's about it. There you go. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.